Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, using the circle to search is really simple. All you have to do is simply press your finger into the home screen, and here you can circle or tap anywhere to search. So for example, I will tap on this little sun here. Tapping will basically search your whole screen, while circling will only check for very specific type of view, which we can navigate and move freely. So as you can see now, we have, for example, our sunset here. Keep in mind that you will need a network for this. So I would advise you to actually connect to a Wi-Fi, because otherwise it just won't work, since it's using Google to actually power the circle to search. And if for some reason it's not working for you, you can always go to settings, go into display, scroll down, and here click navigation bar. And you want to make sure that circle to search is actually enabled, otherwise you won't be able to use it. And also, don't worry, if you use swipe gestures, you can also easily do that by simply pressing this little line here. So as you can see now, we can circle our Play Store, and we can see, well, what it is. And we can do that with basically not only on our home screen, but also in any application. For example, I will activate the gaming app here, which we don't want notifications. And here we can also easily just do it. And for example, wow, Noob versus Herobrine army look amazing. So I will simply circle it. And now we'll see a bunch of different information about it. So as you can see, that's how you use circle to search on Samsung S25 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.